The Hindu reading session. Today, 2nd December 2021. In GS1, Culture Part, Traditional Ritual Siveli is a temple festival in central Kerala. A curriculum must include wisdom of Pannar, modern Indian history, where reform in education to cover the freedom struggle and giving greater importance to unknown freedom fighters, women, heroes, etc. Under Geography Part, an article about the winter in northern India to be warmer than normal. New forecasting system based on color code introduction has been given. Judiciary section, SC pushes for Council on Judicial Infrastructure. Under the article Errors of Judgment, you should read about the Court of Record, Rule of Lenity, reviewing its own judgment. Then another article, Point of Disorder. In that, to read about parliamentary proceeding, about democracy, and about the checks and balances. Article which states about the capital functioning from different regions in Andhra Pradesh, coming under the devolution of power and finances up to local levels and challenges therein. For issues relating to health, more data on jabs for children sought article has some facts which can be quoted. Then blows to Kerala's exceptionalism. This can be also used for answer writing. There is one article on e-emergency visa. You should read about what is e-emergency and its relevance with India and other countries. Important international institute, OECD, WHO, G20, China's Belt Road Initiative, then countries like Afghanistan, China, Russia, USA, Europe Union, Poland, Belarus, Russia, Ukraine. Plot these countries and read about their international relationship with India. Coming to GS3, environmental section, butterfly species record increase has been mentioned. You should read about the Peachy Vardani Wildlife Sanctuary, and there are lot of facts given. Then about elephant, Nahargarh Sanctuary is in Rajasthan. Internal security, cyber attacks has been given as an article, so read about it. Then UAPA. Coming to economy part, we have to read the keywords like trade deficit, debit to GDP ratio, GDP, GVA, manufacturing PMI, then trade deficit, etc. Questions like the importance of the term has been mentioned in 2020, so similar questions can be expected. And for coming to inclusive growth sector, eStamp portal has been given. You have to see what it is about, and you can include this in the mains answer writing. And in agriculture, again MSP is in use. Every year one or the other question related to MSP is being asked. So GS4, CNN suspends Chris Kumo for helping brother Andrew. This article is an example for conflict of interest. Now coming to another article which mentions about code of ethics, read about it. Then another article mentioning that in Karnataka, egg distribution begins in school midday meals, and some Lingayats organization have opposed the government decision. So do this as a case study, and you should tell how as an officer will you deal with such communal protest. Thank you.